Professor Vanessa Steemkamp, and I am the inaugural president of the African Federation of Clinical Chemistry. The federation started in 2009, and our first meeting was in Lagos in Nigeria. We have come a far way. Every year, or every 3 years, we have another conference, or every second year. We currently have 14 member countries in Africa that are part of this federation, and we are looking to increase the membership in the country. And it's all for the improvement of clinical chemistry and better health outcome and patient care on the African continent. And we get to work together to help each country to become or form their own member or societies, so that we can work together, collaborate, help with internal quality control programs, etc. We have also done this with the help of people from Australia as well as other companies such as Randox. It's very important that we know that our tests give accurate results for the diagnosis. And I'd like us to look at the African continent and the countries that we have that are represented or colored in. And we see that there's still a huge amount of gaps, and we invite people from these countries that are represented to come to the African Federation of Clinical Chemistry booth, or to reach out to us on the website and become members, that we can also then help them to become members of the International Federation of Clinical Chemistry, which will help them to improve the laboratory services that they have, management where we also train, as well as where they have access to professional speakers via the programs on from the IFCC. So we also have a very active young scientist task force, and I'd like to introduce to you Don, who is the liaison for the young scientists, and will be able to tell you something more about their activities. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Don M Matshazi. I am the AFCC Young Scientist Task Force Public Relations Officer. And basically what my job is to spread awareness about the AFCC first and foremost, but beyond that, it is to speak on behalf of the young scientists in Africa, those who are involved in clinical chemistry. The AFC Young Scientist Task Force was formed to address all the challenges that young scientists in Africa are facing at the moment, but not only identify their challenges, to help address those challenges through facilitating the provision of workshops, facilitating webinars that upskill them, facilitating activities that ensure that they attend conferences such as the IFCC Medlab, which is happening right now in Dubai. As we have heard before, young scientists are not the leaders of tomorrow, but they are the leaders today for a better tomorrow. So as such, it is important that they are given the platform to grow now, so that they can be the leaders that they need to be in the future. So the various activities that we are doing include, for example, organizing this booth. This was done by all the African young scientists. If you take a look, we have posters, we have pictures, we have brochures, we have this banner. All this work was done by the young scientists with the help of executive board, as well as all the other senior members who are always supporting all the activities of the African young scientists. But the call to action is not for those that are here, it is to those that are not here, to also come and be part of all these activities, actively participate in young scientist activities, so that together we can collaborate, we can work together and improve clinical chemistry and lab medicine in Africa first and foremost, but and also to the rest of the world as well. So I invite everyone to come to the AFCC booth in Hall 7. Please come and interact with us, and I promise you, you'll get all the information you need. You'll get some goodies as well to take home with you, and we'll have a good time. So thank you again for listening, and we look forward to seeing you. Thank you.